Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jemima. This is the part 2 of the series. If you've not seen the part 1, please go see it. I'll put the link up for you. With that said, let's continue. The fourth category of people are those who just outrightly do not write what exactly the examiner is looking for. If you do not write what your examiner is looking for, you don't expect to have the scores that you are looking for. It's not about the amount of work that you have put in, but it's the amount of work that you have put out to your lecturer. Now, there are so many reasons why you would not write what the lecturer is looking for. One of the reasons is that you do not know what the examiner is looking for. You do not know what you're supposed to write. And if you're in this category, I have a dedicated playlist for you on how to answer questions in exam, though this is just for the preclinical students. Please go see it. I'll put the link up for you. The second reason why you would not write what the examiner is looking for is that you have poor time management. You need to work on this. I'm going to upload a video on how to manage your time, most especially in the exam hall. If the question is 2 hours and you spend the whole 1 hour 30 minutes answering just one question out of 10 other questions, you already know the kind of score that you are going to be expecting. So you need to work on your time management skills in exam hall. The third reason why you wouldn't write what the examiner is looking for is that you do not even take time to read the question well. You do not take time to know what exactly the examiner is asking you of, and then you end up writing off point and writing things that the examiner would not be interested in. So you find yourself writing 3 pages of nonsense. Another reason why you wouldn't write what the examiner wants is that you find yourself making a very expensive mistake. When I talk about expensive mistakes, I mean probably in spellings, like you get the spellings wrong or you get the concept all mixed up and jumbled up and you end up knowing it but not writing the right thing because of one mistake or the other that you made that you may not find out until you're out of the exam hall. If you're in this category, you need to work on it. You need to make a conscious effort not to make such mistakes. Give yourself pep talks while in the exam hall that this thing I'm writing, I'm not going to make this mistake. The last but not the least reason why you are not getting the score that you're supposed to get is if and only if someone is out to spite you. Like probably you have a fallout with a lecturer or a staff, and then the staff decides to go all out to fail you, or it's the school management themselves that know that they want only a particular number of students and then they decide to fail a particular number of students and pass a particular number of students. Now, I don't know how feasible this is in medical schools. I don't know if this is what happens in your own medical school, but if you're in this category, I need you to understand that it is not your fault. If it's something that you can fight, you should fight through the right channels to make sure that you get the score that you deserve. If it's something that you should pray about, you should definitely talk to your pastor about it or talk to someone who can pray for you and make sure that this is settled out. In conclusion, I will talk based on my experience. I used to have the same problem of studying so hard and not passing well enough. I needed to go through all these reasons that I've given to you. Find out what category you fall in and work on it. If you're in the category where you do not write exactly what the examiner wants, find out why. If it's that you've not studied enough, make sure you study enough. If it's that you make certain mistakes, like you do not take time to read the questions, advise yourself to read through the questions several times before answering, so you make sure you do not make unnecessary mistakes on your exam script. Finally, if you are in the category of those who have someone that is spiting them, or you have a school management that just want to fail students, try to work hard, try to see if it's something that someone or a body can intervene in so that you would get that sorted out. And with all this said, if there's anything I've forgotten to add, I will definitely add it while editing this video. I remain your girl Jemima. Bye.